Welcome to my English podcast. Today, we will talk about going for a walk. Sometimes, when I feel tired or stressed, I go for a walk. Walking helps me clear my mind and relax. I usually walk in the park near my house. There are many trees, flowers, and a small lake. I enjoy listening to music or a podcast while I walk. Sometimes I walk with a friend and we talk about our day. I don't walk fast. I like to take my time and enjoy the fresh air. In the evening, the sun looks beautiful. There are people walking their dogs or just sitting on benches. When was the last time you went for a walk? When I think about walking, I think about freedom. Walking is something so simple but also so powerful. You don't need special equipment. You don't need to spend money. You just need your feet, your time, and a little energy. Walking can change your mood. If you are sad, walking can make you feel lighter. If you are angry, walking can calm you down. If you are worried, walking can help you think more clearly. Step by step, your mind begins to slow down. Step by step, your heart feels more open. I remember one evening after a busy day at work. My head was full of thoughts. I was stressed about tasks, emails, and problems. I felt heavy, but then I decided to go outside. I put on my shoes and I went for a walk. The air was cool, and I could hear the sound of leaves moving in the wind. Slowly, my body relaxed. My steps became softer. The noise in my head became quieter. After 20 minutes, I felt like a different person. I felt lighter, calmer, and more alive. That is the magic of a simple walk. Walking is also good for the body. It is gentle exercise. It makes your heart stronger. It helps your blood move through your body. It helps your lungs get more fresh air. Doctors say that walking every day can make you healthier and live longer. You don't need to run fast. You don't need to lift heavy weights. Just walk. A little every day is enough. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it all helps. When I walk in the park near my house, I see many different people. Some are old, some are young. Some walk with their family, some walk alone. Some walk quickly, as if they are training. Others walk slowly, as if they are enjoying every second. Some bring their dogs, and the dogs look so happy, wagging their tails and running around. Sometimes I see children running, laughing, and playing. Sometimes I see couples holding hands, walking side by side, talking quietly. Walking is not just exercise. It is also connection. Connection with yourself, connection with other people, and connection with nature. Nature makes walking special. Imagine walking in a forest, with tall trees around you. You hear the birds singing, you smell the fresh green leaves, and you feel the soft ground under your feet. Or imagine walking on the beach, with waves moving up and down, the sound of water, the smell of salt, the sand under your feet. Nature gives us peace. When we walk in nature, we feel small but also connected to something bigger. We remember that life is not only about our problems or our phones. Life is also about trees, sky, water, air, and silence. Sometimes I walk in the morning. In the morning, the world feels new. The air is fresh and cool. The sky is bright. Birds are singing. People are starting their day. Morning walks give me energy. They make me feel ready for the day. Other times, I walk in the evening. Evening walks are different. The light is soft, the sky is colorful, and people are finishing their day. Some are relaxing, some are talking with friends, some are just enjoying the sunset. Evening walks make me feel calm and thankful. They help me close the day with peace. One of the things I love about walking is that it is slow. In our modern life, everything is fast. We run, we work, we check our phones, we hurry from one thing to another. Walking reminds us to slow down, to take a deep breath, to notice small things. A flower on the side of the road, a child smiling, an old man feeding birds, a cloud in the sky. These small things can make our hearts feel warm, but we can only see them if we walk slowly and pay attention. I also like walking with friends. When you walk with a friend, you talk in a different way. You don't sit face to face. You walk side by side. This makes conversations softer, easier, more natural. You can share your thoughts, your dreams, your worries. The rhythm of walking makes words flow. Sometimes, when I walk with a friend, we don't even need to talk a lot. We just walk together, step by step, enjoying the moment. That silence also feels like friendship. Walking can also be a time for learning. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to an audiobook or a podcast. I learn new things while my body moves. This makes walking even more useful. I improve my mind and my health at the same time. Other times, I don't listen to anything. I just listen to the world. The sound of cars, the sound of birds, the sound of wind. Silence is also a teacher. It teaches us to be present. Do you remember the last time you went for a walk? Where did you go? Was it in the city or in the countryside? Did you walk alone or with someone? Did you walk in the morning or in the evening? How did you feel before the walk and how did you feel after? Maybe you felt tired, but then you felt fresh. Maybe you felt heavy, but then you felt light. Maybe you felt sad, but then you felt a little bit happier. Sometimes I ask myself, why don't we walk more often? We always have reasons. We say we are too busy. We say we don't have time. We say we are tired. But walking does not need much time. Even 10 minutes is enough. Sometimes we forget how simple and powerful walking can be. When I was a child, I used to walk to school. It was not a long walk, maybe 15 minutes. But every day I remember the little things I saw. The same tree, the same shop, the same people. I saw how the seasons changed. In spring, flowers bloomed. In summer, the sun was hot. In autumn, the leaves turned yellow. In winter, the air was cold and sharp. Those walks were small lessons. They taught me to notice the world, They taught me that life is always changing. Today, when I walk in the park, I sometimes feel like that child again. I look at the trees, the sky, the people. I feel simple joy. Maybe this is what we all need, to remember the simple joys of life. Walking helps us remember. I believe that walking is not only physical, it is also emotional and even spiritual. When we walk, we can pray, we can meditate, we can dream. Many writers, poets, and philosophers loved walking. They said that walking gave them ideas. When you move your body, your mind also moves. Thoughts come more easily. New ideas are born. Walking is like a key that opens the door of creativity. If you feel stuck in your life, try walking. If you feel sad, try walking. If you feel lonely, try walking. Walking will not solve every problem, but it will help you see your problems from a new angle. It will give you space, time, and fresh air. And sometimes, that is exactly what we need. So, my friend, after listening to this podcast, maybe you can go for a walk. Put on your shoes. Step outside. Feel the air. Listen to the world. Look at the sky. Take one step, then another. Do not hurry, just walk. Walk for your body. Walk for your mind. Walk for your heart. Walking is a gift. A gift that is always waiting for us. We just need to accept it. So let us walk more. Let us walk with joy. Let us walk with gratitude. And let us remember, every journey begins with one step. Thank you for joining me today, on this simple but meaningful journey. I hope the next time you go for a walk, you will remember these words and find joy in each step.